guys! So for today's game plan, meron ako actually Lipswatch na gagawin para sa inyo guys. It's from another local brand, locally made, Filipino owned, and I'm talking about SKINCAREHUB. Na-feature ko na sila before. Dati kasi puro mga skincare lang sila. Tapos ngayon meron silang makeup, and they sent a couple of products, mga lip products. So yun yung i-share ko sa inyo. And aside from that, I'm also going to do my makeup. And most of the products are locally made, of course. All, ano tayo dito? All Filipino brand, Filipino made, conceptualized by Filipinos. So before we go to the Lipswatch, let me beat up my face first.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night now. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night now. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. No flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night now. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright.
Alright guys, so oras na para mag-Lipswatch tayo before I complete my look. And first batch na isa-swatch ko are these cute lippies right here. Just look at the packaging, you guys. This is so cute. I believe it's called the Powder Velvet Matte Stain. So all natural ingredients, on-the-go product. Pwede daw to sa eyelids, sa cheeks, and sa lips.
One step forward and another back, I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, I felt your breath. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. I need you, baby. I need you, baby. Oh. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I can never resist it.
Alright guys, so it's time for me to complete my look. So ito rin yung products na gagamitin ko for my cheeks. Since 3-in-1 naman siya, you can use it on your eyes, on your cheeks, or definitely on your lips. So I'm choosing the shade Anessa for my cheeks. And meron na akong powder. So I hope to God this is going to blend really nicely. Not bad. So, hindi naman yung nagalaw yung foundation ko. Thank God. Pero syempre, pag nag-blend kayo, slowly but surely pa rin. Depende pa rin yung tindi and yung blendability on how you apply it. I'm gonna put some on my nose. And then for my lips, I want to do an ombre of, again, Anessa, and I really like Audrey. Para siya yung red entry ng SKINCAREHUB lippy na ite. Let me get Audrey. You know what? Let me get a little bit of Isa. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. Very, very simple lang naman. But, you know, every time I do my makeup, most likely nagkakaroon na ako ng variety on my lips and the way I apply my blush. And you know what? This is also the first time na tinry ko itong SKINCAREHUB My Brows brow soap. And I like it. I really like it. It's a good brow soap. And I do recommend that you try this one. It's fairly affordable and really effective on the eyebrows. And then for the lippies, I do like it, you guys. Ito yung velvety finish. It's like cloud-like. So, I do recommend na i-try nyo rin to. Plus, okay din yung blendability niya on the cheeks. I like it. I like it. I do like it. I do recommend it. I'm gonna link kung saan nyo mabibili yung mga products yun down below. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating very, very quick chikahan. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!